Good afternoon, my dear student. In continuation with our 2:1 marks schematic designing, in the last lecture we were discussing the circuit. What was our equation? That is this I1x plus I0 x bar. So for that, this is my signal which I inverted, and transmission gate I am using here. Fine. This is first input x1, this is x2, and this is PMOS, NMOS, PMOS, NMOS. And finally the equation is giving me what? See here. Here it is coming as, that is going to be S bar. Fine. Here it is S bar, it is originally coming. So this giving me x1 S bar plus x2 S. See, this is x2. S bar is coming through this PMOS, it is again going to be S, and here it is coming S. So you need to justify your equation with the schematic. Fine. After this, this is my top level TEdit file, TSpice file, and whatever I want in print, VA, VB, Vout. VA is my first input, VB is my second input, and Vout the final output. And this is the waveform. This is Vx, Vx2, Vn means signal, and this is Vn. Fine. So now check our output. This is the output signal. This is first input, this is second input, and depending on my select line, this is the select line, that is 1, then 0, 1, then 0. This is select line, this is first input, second input. Fine. Select line, when my select line is going to be 1, which input used to be exit? That is x1. This is x1, this is output. See, it is coming. Fine. So this way you need to justify. Now in continuation with 2:1 multiplexer, and its total delay and transition analysis is 2.12 seconds. Okay. In continuation with this 2:1 multiplexer, we are supposed to design 4:1 multiplexer. So in this 4 input is there, 2 signals are there, 1 output is there. This I will just finish within a time, because we thoroughly discussed 2:1 multiplexer. These are the select line, these are my output, and the equation which is going to be formed means I0 S1 S2 bar, S1 bar S0 bar, S1 bar S0 I1 plus S1 S0 bar I2 plus S1 S0 I3. This is a Boolean equation. This is a designing, component designing of 4:1 multiplexer. I think it don't require much explanation, but this I draw intentionally just to make you aware. First of all, 2 inverter we are supposed to need it, then AND operation, OR operation, then final execution is going to be here. So here not much pressure is going to be there, like in the last 2:1 multiplexer, it is going to get just double. Two inverters are required for 2 signal to get S1 and S2 bar and without bar, and 4 transmission gates are going to be used for my AND OR operation. 4 here and 2 again here. It is a bit complex circuitry,